This morning I measured my blood pressure and it was at 240. Man, I quickly rushed to where I kept my medications and took my medication, and I waited for about 2-3 hours to see if it was going to go down, and it refused to go down. So I decided to leave my home to take a walk and see if it can still go down. It has been like this for a long time. It has remained at this level for a long time. Even there were times it got to 250. So these times I called the ambulance. When they came, they took me to the hospital. The annoying thing about going to the hospital here is when you go there, they will waste the whole day. At times I would spend 12 hours in the hospital. And guess what? They will still give me the same medication I have at home. The same medications I have at home is what they usually give me in the hospital. I have gone to specialists. Doctors that are specialized in controlling blood pressure. Guess what they told me? They said I have therapy-resistant hypertonia. Did you hear me? They said I have therapy-resistant hypertonia. That is my case. They cannot treat it. There were times my blood pressure got to 250, and I went to the hospital, and they gave me medications, and it refused to go down. In fact, one time, one doctor told me I should stop coming to the hospital. I said, what did you say? I asked her, I said, why did you ask me to stop coming to the hospital? She said, because there was nothing they could do. That they cannot help the situation. I said, you dare not tell me that. It is your job to control my blood pressure. So this morning, as it got to 240, man, I did not know what to do. Do I call the ambulance again? If I call the ambulance now, they would take me to hospital and they will still give me the same medication I have at home. Well, I've got to help myself. So even that's why I told you guys sometimes I don't eat. Just to bring my blood pressure down. Sometimes I don't eat. So this morning, as I measured my blood pressure, because the whole night I could not sleep, I was having headache. My blood pressure was so high. So as I woke up this morning, I measured it and it was still high. Man, I don't know what to do. I decided to take a walk. And see if it will get down. Well, I hope it comes down. Yes, I hope it comes down. Well, I decided, guys, I just wanted to share my day with you guys. You already know my name. My name is Rodi. I still remain the strongest. See you in my next video.
Yes, my own. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, this is my advice. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn. Ẹ̀yin tèmi tẹ́ ẹ bá gbọ́ Yorùbá. Ẹ gbé lọ fún àwọn tó gbọ́ Yorùbá kí wọ́n bá yín translate ẹ̀ ní English. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá farabalẹ̀. Yes, ẹ lè catch bits by bits. Ṣàlàfíà ni mo bá yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí èmi Ajia on point ṣe wà lénìí. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Okay, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn. Arákùnrin yìí dẹ̀ ni pẹ̀lú bó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ nísìn. Pẹ̀lú environment rí ẹ máa mọ̀ pé kò í ṣe Nàìjíríà ló wà. This man is not in Nigeria. This is my advice. Number 1. Ó ní pé perhaps tí arákùnrin yìí bá change location. Yes, tó bá change location 1. Tó bá change diet ó di 2. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń jẹ tí ò ṣe organics ó ń constitute gẹ̀dẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Gẹ̀dẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ yìí ti wá pọ̀jù débi pé no matter nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ bá lò kò ní ṣiṣẹ́. So kí máa yí kó change environment kó rí atẹ́gùn alálàáfíà. Ó ṣeé ṣe bí allocation tó wà àyà rẹ̀ máa ń já. Sometimes you may not see something physically chasing you, but environment yẹn ó ń threaten emotionally, psychologically, and you may not realize it. So gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá lò kò ní ṣiṣẹ́. So perhaps kí máa yẹn change environment. A ti rí àwọn nǹkan, àwọn tèmi míì wọ́n máa ń pè mí, wọ́n ní Ajia. Táwọn bá wà nílùú òyìnbó yẹn, nǹkan ọmọkùnrin wọn ṣiṣẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ táwọn bá dé Nàìjíríà báyìí, ó máa ṣiṣẹ́ ni àwọn wò pé ṣé ìdákọ́lẹ̀ wà nílùú yẹn ni? Ìdákọ́lẹ̀ ò sí nílùú yẹn. So yé yín, ó lè jẹ́ wípé weather nǹkan tẹ́ ń jẹ àtàyà jíjá kò síbi tó dàbí ilé. Ẹ bá mi sọ fárákùnrin ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì pé kò síbi tó dàbí ilé. Bí ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni o, mi ò mọ̀, bóyá ọmọ South Africa ni o, bóyá ọmọ Ghana ni o, bóyá ọmọ Congo ni o, àbí Cameroon, àbí Guinea Bissau, I don't know. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kó lọ lé, kó padà sílé náà, kó change environment, kó check nǹkan tó ń jẹ. It is not because exercise o. Ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé àyà èèyàn ń já, èèyàn gan environment threatening, no matter kó ṣe exercise láti ní ìdọ́la, irọ́ ni, kò ní ṣiṣẹ́. So gbogbo nǹkan táwọn doctor yẹn sọ kò bá mú o. Number 3, ẹ̀yin tèmi, ó ní pé tí Ọlọ́run bá fún ẹ lórí ọ̀fẹ́ tó change environment, maybe lọ sí more conducive environment, lọ environment tó ti máa feel relax. Number 2, wo nǹkan tó ń jẹ, eat more organics. And number 3, please take care of this. Ìgbà míì cholesterol, bad cholesterol tó ti form nuisance níbi bloodstream, tẹ́ bá lo oògùn BP kò ní ṣiṣẹ́ o. So ẹ need láti take care bad cholesterol, ẹ need láti take care gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí mo sọ síwájú yẹn. So apps wo ló wá lè help yín, ẹ̀yin tèmi? Apps tó lè help yín, mo ti sọ nípa apps kan rí. Gbogbo àwọn apps tí mo mention in the past, mo mọ nǹkan tí mo sọ, mo dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tí mo ṣe. They are still well and intact. Mo sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àfòmọ́ onísáná. Àfòmọ́ onísáná, ẹ lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn tó lè bá yín get ẹ̀ gangan. Ẹni kí wọ́n bá yín get ẹ̀ ní tútù. Àfòmọ́ onísáná, parasite plant ni tó ń fò mọ́ another tree entirely. Ó ní wọ́n bá yín wá sóyè yín. Tẹ́ bá wá, ẹ make sure pé ẹ jẹ́ kó gbẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ kó gbẹ, ẹ má jẹ́ kó gbẹ níta, kó má lose gbogbo nutrient. Ẹ jẹ́ kó gbẹ nínú ilé. Ẹ sá, ẹgún for about 5 to 7 days. Kẹ́ wá sọ di powder. Kẹ́ máa fi 1 tablespoon, kẹ́ máa fi ṣe tea. So ṣé rí àfòmọ́ onísáná, nǹkan tó dáa ni. Plant recommendation ọjọ́ tipẹ́tipẹ́ ni, ó dẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ̀yin kan lẹ mọ̀, ẹ fi pé bóyá ti ní another thing, ẹ fi gbàgbé yẹn. Ó bá yín take care cholesterol. Ó bá yín take care cholesterol, and at the same time ó máa help BP yín. Ìkan nìyẹn. Mo sọ fún yín pé several là ń lò fún BP. Ìkan nìyẹn fún wọn tó ní bad cholesterol, tó tún jẹ́ pé ó tún express BP. Ẹ má gbàgbé your location, check what you eat. The exercise is still part of it. Again, ẹ lọ bá mi wá ìbẹ́pẹ dúdú. Ìbẹ́pẹ dúdú oògùn ni in all ratification. Ṣé mo gbogbo òyìnbó yẹn? In all corners of life, in all corners, eat wisely, oògùn ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí títẹ̀ ní a fẹ́ lò fún BP. Ẹ lọ bá mi wá ìbẹ́pẹ dúdú. Ìbẹ́pẹ dúdú yìí ẹ wá share rẹ̀ sọ́nà 3. Side kan ẹ jẹ láàárọ̀, side kan ẹ jẹ lọ́sàn, side kan ẹ jẹ lálẹ́. Yes, and ìbẹ́pẹ dúdú ó wà refreshing. You will love it and you will like it, and at the same time ó máa bá take care of your BP. You understand? And ó dẹ̀ máa ṣe kan mí náà nínú àgọ́ ara. Oògùn ni. Èmi ń jọ̀wọ́ náà mo sọ fún yín pé ó wà lára àwọn nǹkan tá à ń lò fún pile. Yes, kódà ó wà lára nǹkan tá à ń lò fún fibroids. Then another thing tẹ́ lè bá mi wá tẹ́yin náà mọ̀ ni normal. Ó ní zobo. Kí là ń pè ní Yorùbá? Ìsápá. Ìbẹ́ yìí mọ̀ ìsápá pupa tá à ń pè ní zobo. Your normal zobo drink. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kò kí ń ṣe ìtẹ́ ti fi ṣúgà báyé rẹ̀ jẹ́ o. Ìwọ tó bá fi ṣúgà sí, sórí gẹ̀dẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ yẹn kò ní kúrò, ó máa pọ̀ sí ni. Gbogbo àwọn pipes, àwọn blood vessels ó máa block sí ni. So zobo nìkan wá níwọ̀nba. Ká sọ wípé tí agolo mílìkì tin, kó ṣàn. Tó bá dẹ̀ ṣàn sóyè, kó bo omi bí 75 cl, kó fi sè, kó mú gálíkì bí 3 pieces tí wọ́n ti yọ ní òkè ṣe bọ́ọ̀lù, kó gún gálíkì yẹn, kó dà sí. So o lè ṣe 1 cup yẹn, o lè lò ní ẹ̀mẹ́ta, that is lẹ́ni lọ́la lọ́tùnla. You understand? So each time tó bá fẹ́ gbé kaná, gálíkì yẹn gún, kó dà sí. Nǹkan tí mo mì lélẹ̀, ọyọ kan yẹn kọ́kọ́ ṣàn ní sharp sharp wàá wá gbé omi 75cl yẹn wàá gbé kaná wàá wá mú yẹn àsápà yẹn wàá wá dà sí wàá mú gálíkì mẹ́ta wàá rún mọ́ so yẹ wàá pound yẹ wàá dà sí so wàá wá mú agolo yẹn fúnjọ́ mẹ́ta fún ẹ̀mẹ́ta sorry láàárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án lálẹ́ fún ọtí tó bá wà chronic yes tó bá mú láàárọ̀ wàá fi kàn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lè wà níbi iṣẹ́ lọ́sàn-án tó bá miss ọ̀sán no problem tó bá mú lálẹ́ wàá fi relax ó tún máa help ẹ láti tètè sùn do you understand so níjọ́ kejì again that same one wàá tún gbé kaná yes 75cl of water gún garlic mọ́ mú ní àárọ̀ tó bá ráyè mú lọ́sàn-án tó bá ráyè mú ní àárọ̀ àtàlẹ́ do you understand the third time again wàá tún ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ títí fún 7 days kó fi wo level ibi tí bp rẹ wà ẹ mọ́ gbàgbé níjọ́wọ́ náà mo sọ pé egbò àti ewé asán fẹ́yẹ jẹ so that is it ẹ bá mi sọ fún màá yẹn ẹ bá mi sọ àlàyé náà fún gbogbo àwọn tó ń go through this kind of situation yes follow me for more tips do you understand this is on point always using my words to help others bye for now.